So here we're looking at the data for 1910, showing roughly the distribution of the world's population into 4 different regions. And I can see that I've got 10 people in Asia, 5 people in Europe, 1 in Africa, and 2 in the Americas, with each person representing about 93 million people in reality. So now I'm trying to look at the relativity here to see how many Asians there were for every African, for example. Well, that's a nice easy one to do because I've only got 1 African. So I can say that for every African there were 10 Asians. So the ratio of African to Asians is 1 to 10. I could do the same for Africans in Europe. The ratio of Africans to Europeans is 1 to 5. And the ratio of Africans to Americans is 1 to 2. So now let's look at some of the others and see some of the other difficulties that we come up against when we're trying to do it. What about the ratio of Asians here to Europeans? Okay, so I've got 10 Asians and I've got 5 Europeans. Now some of you might think straight away, well then there's twice as many. Okay, so can I split these up into a number of groups where the number of people in each one is the same? So if I took 2 Asians and 1 European, another 2 Asians and 1 European, another 2 Asians and 1 European, and if I do that 2 more times, I can see that I've reorganized those people into 5 different groups, and in each group I can see that there are 2 Asians for every European. So I can say that the ratio of Asians to Europeans is 2 to 1. Okay, one more thing. Let's have a little look at the number of the ratio of Asians to Americans. Okay, can I split those up into a number of different groups? Well, there's an easy place to start because I've only got 2 Americans, so I've only got 2 groups I can possibly make. Have I got an equal number of Asians for each group? Well, yes, I do. I've got 5 Asians for every American, so the ratio of Asians to Americans is 5 to 1.